Hi guys, today I'm going to do a top 5 concealers, my favorite concealers overall. I've been wanting to do this for a while, so I'm just going to finally sit down and do it. I'm going to try to make this short, simple, fast. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know concealer is super important to me. If I had to pick only one makeup item that I can take with me, it would probably be concealer, just because I need it so bad. You know, some people really don't need concealer. They kind of just use it to highlight. I need a concealer. Like, I need it. Not the kind of need where I just didn't get enough sleep last night kind. The kind where I've been like this forever kind. The kind where, like, it's hereditary. They ain't going away. I need it. So, yeah. So, the first concealer is going to be, no surprise, it is Tarte Shape Tape. This concealer, there's literally nothing I can say bad about it. Nothing at all. It's my favorite go-to concealer. It's a full coverage, matte finish, creamy, and it doesn't crease, it doesn't get cakey. Just, I love it. The coverage is amazing. I believe they have 30 shades of these. So the next one that I really like is the Jouer High Coverage Liquid Concealer. This one I like because of the coverage. This coverage is amazing. It's super full coverage, and it also has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's not drying. And it also has a soft matte finish. I think there's 25 different shades. I forgot to show Tarte's applicator, which I really like. I think almost all of them have this type of applicator that I really like. It's kind of like a fatter doe foot applicator. The third one that I have is the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. And I really like this one because of the coverage. It is full coverage. It's got like it does have a semi-matte finish, and it's super creamy. The only thing I don't like is the applicator. I don't like these type of applicators. I rather have like the doe foot type of applicator. The next concealer is Kevyn Aucoin's Supernatural Concealer, and it's exactly like what it says it is. It's a very weightless concealer. It gives you more of it has a satin finish, and it gives you more of a natural look, but it still has a decent amount of coverage. I wouldn't say it's full coverage. It's more like a medium coverage, but buildable. And I really like this concealer, and it does not crease on me, which is really good. This has more of a super small applicator. But the only thing is, I think they only have around 10 shades. I'm not positive, but I think they don't have a very big shade range. But I do really like this. If you're somebody that doesn't need concealer, you probably really like this. Or somebody that doesn't wear a lot of makeup and just does kind of like a natural finish, I think you really like this. Oh, my camera is gonna die. Okay, the last one as far as the top 5 I have, it's a more affordable one. It is the JCat Beauty Stay Assurance, and it's the, what is it? Water Sealed Zero Smudge Concealer. So this one, it also has a big doe foot applicator like Tarte. This one kind of reminds me of Tarte. It was really good. The coverage is medium to full coverage, but I feel like it's more of a full coverage. I think the coverage is really good for a less expensive concealer. So aside from the coverage, it doesn't crease on me, and it kind of leaves like a smoothing effect. I don't know, it just feels and looks really good on the skin, and for the price, you can't beat it. The only thing is, again, they don't have a wide shade range. I think they only have about 13 shades, maybe 15. I'm not sure. And they're also very different from one shade to the next. That's the only downside about this. And then really quick, I do have 2 that I just want to mention. The first one is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I really like this one. Really do like the formula of this one. This one also has a big doe foot applicator. And the coverage is really good. I just prefer it when I don't wear a full face of makeup. I like it more of when I'm going for like a natural, hardly any makeup type of look. I don't apply as much because I feel like it does crease on me when I apply more. So if I'm going for more natural look, I'll use less concealer, so it's gonna crease less. So yeah, but I do really like one that I just tried today. It's the new Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. And I just want to mention this in here now because I know this is just the first day that I've used it, but I can already tell you that this is bomb. I'm gonna love it. This is really good. It is a full coverage concealer. How many shades do they have? So this is a full coverage concealer. It's a lightweight, easy to blend concealer, and I think they have 30, is it 30? I think they have 30 shades. I'm just gonna guess that this is gonna be one of my favorites, and that I'm gonna be using it a lot. It looks so, the coverage is really good. It looks so smooth under the eyes. It blends out so good. I know I'm gonna like this. I know it's new, but I'm telling you, I'm gonna love it. Ooh, I did that fast. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want more like this, like top foundations, top whatever. I will try to list and link everything in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And thank you for watching.